Hi students, so in this video we will discuss some of the entrance oriented questions from the lesson alcohols, phenols and ethers. So what is the product of the reaction? They are given the four options. So now we will see how this reaction will take place. So first protonation will take place. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH plus CH3. This is a carbocation, and you can see it is a secondary carbocation because this carbon is connected directly to two carbon atom. That is known as secondary carbocation. When you compare the stability of primary, secondary, tertiary carbocation, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, secondary is more stable than primary. So in this case, if this bond breaks and if this methyl group goes to here, we will get a tertiary carbocation. So shifting of methyl group with breakage of bond. Two types of bond cleavage you might have studied in 11th standard. One is homolytic cleavage and another one is heterolytic cleavage. The bond between A and B, one electron from A and one electron from B, they have formed the bond, covalent bond, and that bond can break in two ways. Suppose the breaking is taking place like this and each one is taking its own electron. So in that case, free radicals will be formed. We take A free radical and a B free radical. For example, chlorine. If it breaks like this, we get chlorine free radical. So this will take place only in the presence of UV light. So that is why chlorine will react only in the presence of light. So this is known as homolytic cleavage. Another type of cleavage is there. If either A or B takes both the electron, that is known as heterolytic cleavage. In that case, the atom which is taking the electron will become negative and the atom will lose the electron will become positive. So here this bond will break heterolytically and the methyl group will go here. So we'll get CH3, C, CH3 positive, CH, CH3. This is a tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable because there are three alkyl groups in this. All these three will shift their electron pair towards carbon due to plus sign effect, inductive effect. Inductive effect. Tertiary carbocation is more stable. Now the OH minus ion will attack this place and you will get CH3, C, CH3. OH minus will attack here and form OH here. CH, CH3, CH3. So this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. OH group is on the second carbon atom. And you can see methyl group in second as well as third. 2,3 dimethyl parent compound contains 4 carbon atoms. It's butane. 2,3 dimethyl butane 2 all because OH group is in the second carbon atom. So here the main concept is shifting on the methyl group. Why it is shifting? Because tertiary carbocation is more stable. Normally students will write OH group here, that option also will be there. That is minor product, you can say CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This chance is very less because tertiary carbocation is more stable, so that this product will be the major. Sometimes they will ask major and minor. In that case, this will be the minor and that will be the major. The product of acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl propene. Propene, 3 carbon atom with double bond, CH3, CH, double bond CH. This is propene. 2-phenyl propene. It means this is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom. So in this one phenyl group, C6H5. Acid catalyzed hydration of 2-phenyl propene. So here also first the protonation will take place. So CH3, C, CH3, CH3. And here the OH group will attack. So OH minus will attack here. So the product formed will be CH3, C, OH, CH3, CH3. Not CH3, this is phenyl group. C6, H5. So here also C6, H5. This is the parent compound. 1, 2, 3. You can see phenyl group on the second carbon atom. 2 phenyl, 2 propanol or propan2ol. 2 phenyl, propan 2ol. So the product formed will be 2 phenyl propan2ol. The first question and the second question are almost same. The order of reactivity of the alkenes. First one, second one, third one. When more number of methyl group or alkyl group attached to the carbon-carbon double bond, that will be more reactive. So in this case you can see 2 alkyl groups attached to the double bonded carbon atom. So this will be the first one. So in this case you can see CH3, CH, double bond CH2. So double bond carbon atom, 1 methyl group. So here it is methylene group. So this will be the second and this will be the third. So the order of reactivity will be 1 will be greater than 2, 2 will be greater than 3. When more number of alkyl groups are attached, so that carbocation formed will be more stable due to plus A effect of methyl group. CH3Br with KCN will give product A. That on hydrolysis gives B. That on reduction using lithium aluminum hydride B. So you see, you want to find out the product C, or you want to find out A, B, C. Without finding A, B, you can't find out C. So when CH3Br react with KCN, Br will be replaced by Cn. So Br will be replaced by Cn. This reaction normally will use in conversions to increase the number of carbon atom. So here only 1 carbon atom, the product of 1 carbon atom is increased. And this on hydrolysis, Cn on hydrolysis will become COH. Cn on partial hydrolysis, it will become amide. Cn on complete hydrolysis, it will become COH. So CH3, COOH, acetic acid, and that on reduction, an acid on reduction will give an alcohol, primary alcohol, with the same number of carbon atom as the acid. So here 2 carbon atoms are there, so you will get CH3, CH2, OH. This concept is very, very important. Primary alcohol, CH3, CH2OH, and primary alcohol, methyl alcohol, on oxidation, first it will give an aldehyde, the same number of carbon atom, and again it undergoes oxidation to form an acid with the same number of carbon atom. So normally if you use acidified potassium permanganate and all, it will start from here and it will end here. So a primary alcohol on oxidation gives an aldehyde, and the aldehyde on oxidation gives an acid. Both the aldehyde and the acid will contain same number of carbon atom as the original alcohol. So the reverse process, if you reduce this acid, you will get an alcohol with same number of carbon atoms. So the final product is ethanol, CH3, CH2, OH. And this reaction is very important because we can increase the carbon atom. You see, in the beginning only one carbon atom, and in the end we got two carbon atoms. So this reaction is used for increasing the number of carbon atoms. Which of the following Grignard reagent is suitable for the preparation of 3-methyl butane 2-ol? So they are given 4 options. So here I have written only the answer: acetaldehyde plus isopropyl magnesium bromide. You will see how this reaction is taking place. After that, we will come to this answer. This reaction is very important, and Grignard reagent also very important. Grignard he got Nobel Prize for chemistry for preparing this Grignard reagent. And when my head of the department HOD taught this Grignard reaction, what he said: once you prepare Grignard reagent, you can prepare anything in the world except your father and mother. He said, just as an exaggeration, but when you go deep into this, you will understand it is not an exaggeration, it is almost 99.99% correct. So once Grignard reagent is prepared, you can prepare anything in this world. So that much important compound, that's why he got Nobel Prize. Now we will see how this Grignard reagent will react with the aldehydes and ketones. For example, HCHO with a Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide. This is Grignard reagent. RMgX. German form of the reaction is RMgX. We know in this the oxygen is negative, carbon is positive, because oxygen is highly electronegative. This will attract the electron pair towards it. So like this, here you can give this part is minus and this part is positive. So addition product will be formed. So the product formed will be HCH to this positive carbon. This is plus and this is minus. The positive part will attach to minus and negative part will attach to plus. So to this carbon, this CH3 group will attach, and to this O, MgBr will attach, and this on hydrolysis, you can see H will come here and OH will come here. The product form will be CH3CH2OH. It's a primary alcohol, and the byproduct is whenever you are using formaldehyde with any Grignard reagent, the product formed will be a primary alcohol. So instead of formaldehyde, if you use any other aldehyde, for example, I am making this to acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, then this also will become CH3, then here also it will become CH3, you can see secondary alcohol. So other than formaldehyde, any aldehyde if you use, the product formed will be a secondary alcohol. And instead of this H, I am making this ketone, see, the product formed will be a tertiary alcohol. So formaldehyde with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis will give primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde, any aldehyde if you use, you will get secondary alcohol, and ketones will give tertiary alcohol. Now we will see this reaction. Methyl butane 2-ol. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 methyl group. CH3, CH, CH, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 methyl butane 2-ol. You can see this carbon is directly attached to 2 carbon atom, so it is a secondary alcohol. So from that you can understand the reagent is an aldehyde except a formaldehyde. So if you use this acetaldehyde, CH3 CHO plus isopropyl magnesium bromide, CH3 C CH3 CH MgBr. So this part is minus, this part is plus, this is plus, this is minus. So CH3 C CH3 to this plus, this part will attach, so this minus, this part will attach, what is that? C CH3 so I made mistake here, CH3 CH plus now, this minus part, what is that? C CH3 H CH3 and to the O MgBr will attach. This on hydrolysis H will come here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll write this product CH3 CH OH C CH3 CH3 H. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second place OH group. Third place 1-methyl group. Parent compound contains 4 carbon atom. So 3-methyl butane 2 ald. 3-methyl butane 2 ald. So the starting compound is an aldehyde and we are reacting with the Grignard reagent because we know aldehyde, formaldehyde, except other aldehyde, except formaldehyde, all other aldehydes will give primary alcohol. Formaldehyde alone will give primary alcohol, other aldehydes will give secondary alcohol with Grignard reagent, and ketones will give tertiary alcohol.